and welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga, our funny, from the 22nd to the 26th of June 2026 on Monday. Sabelo managed to escape from his uncle's only for him to have no idea where he is. Thembi is forced to trust strangers to survive, only to find out one of those strangers isn't even a stranger on Tuesday. A family reunion turns heavy when the truth about their sister is revealed. Meanwhile, Sugar Basin leaves home chasing a dream straight into a nightmare in the heart of Joburg on Wednesday. The Doomers vow to sacrifice for Sabelo, helping him heal as soon as possible. Sugar Basin faces a baptism of fire on his first day in Johannesburg, while Zaqeqe set a trap for Phineas on Thursday. The community turns on the Doomers as Sabelo is taken away, while Sugar Basin fight to survive his first day in Joburg, and Nobesotho makes a weird sacrifice on Friday. In the middle of the Duma chaos, Fate restored a broken soul. Joburg Street teaches Sugar Basin a costly lesson. Phineas risk everything in the name of love. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.